McDonald's unboxing haul.
I had a decent. Dude. Third party. Oh, so maybe just run? Oh. Ah. No, what do you do with 10 AR bullets?
Ty, look at this.